The African National Congress is in government, but it is far from being in power.
Inkulumo kaMama Winnie Madikizela-Mandela idinga abantu abazincithabuchopho, idinga abantu abahlakaniphile, abazokwazi ukuyichaza, bayichazele nomuntu ovelapha ukucabanga ukuthi usho ukuthini kahle kahle uma yethi i-African National Congress is in government but is far from being in power. Kahle kahle ubani lo, who's the person who's in power? Nambuzo funa sizibuze wona. Osukwini la izolo sibe ne-family meeting lapho khona upresident wethu bekasi-addressa khona. Siyamazi ukuthi upresident aka-engage ne-media. Uyasitshela nje lokho afuna ukusitshela khona. Akho mbuzo ezolandela lapho. Uma kunemibuzo bazokwenza i-media briefing lapho khona kuzofika u-spokesperson noma uminister in the presidency kuKhumbuzo Chaveni akhulume kubuzwe yena imibuzo singabuza upresident ngqo. Ziningi izinto azikhulumile ikakhulukazi address ama-issues lawa khona manje nalama masha khona la ezweni. Angifuni ngena kakhulu kodwa kuleyo part ama-political party ngokwehlukahlukana kwaba-reactile-ke towards inkulumo kapresident. Lawa ku-GNU ayamsupporta upresident, lawa ku-opposition ayaphikisana nokusho upresident, asho kuningi akushoyo. Kodwa engifike ngayithanda kakhulu inkulumo ekaVuyo Zungula. Ngaphambi sifike lapho uVuyo Zungula beka kwi-podcast ye-Sunday World. Bekakhuluma khona nge-experience yakhe yaseParliament. Ibalulekile-ke le part ukuthi siyixoxe ngoba iyona elawula yonke into. Kulamaviki adlule uSihle Lonzi we-EFF uke wacela ukuthi akube ne-debate ethi ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi i-youth ayikho sesikoleni ayisebenzi and kunamasitha kunemali ephuma njalo ukuthi akutrainwe abantu kodwa le mali igcina ingabonakala ukuthi yenzeni. Akube khona i-inquiry, parliamentary inquiry ezokwazi ukuthi iphenye kahle kuze wonke lamasitha azo-accounta ukuthi kwaphuma imali engaka yenza ini kuphi bangaka abantu abatrainwa ukuze kuzokwazi ukuxazuleka le nkinga leyo ukuthi abantu bangabi nama-skills ukuze kuzame ukuliwa nale nkinga ekhona. Asukuma kama-political party ngokwehlukahlukana kwawo aba-against leyo nto leyo. Noma usuyibona ukuthi lento ekhulunywa yi-right. Lento ekhulunywayo ithi ngoba lento siphuma imali njalo kodwa inkinga ezama ukuxazululeka ayixazululeki. Ake kuxoxwe-ke manje ku-investigate kutholakala. Ngiyakhumbula uKarabo Khagau we-DA wathi no asifuni iMadlanga Commission. uSihle Lonzi wathi no lana kufana neMadlanga Commission and edwa mali just ukuthi nje kwenziwa ama-terms of reference kube kuhlale ilokuzana leyo i-committee leyo ezobe khona njenge-ad hoc inikezwe ama-resources bese ibiza lama-institution azo-accounta wonke ukuthi konakelephi. Ayizange iphase leyo debate. Uyazibuza-ke umuntu ukuthi uma abantu benqaba ukuthi akubheka umnyombo wenkinga bacabanga kanjani. Kodwa le nkulumo kaVuyo Zungula iwuphendulile lo mbuzo bengizibuza wona. Ngicela uzwe la.
What I found to be problematic in Parliament, it's how it is full of actors, in the sense that when the cameras are on, the MPs will put on a show because they want to trend, they want people to speak about them.
Yeah.
Once you say the cameras are off, then they are normal people, we can engage them, it's fine. But what was troubling again was how, I remember there was a debate in 2019, September, sponsored by the then leader of the DA, Mmusi Maimane, on the crisis of unemployment at the time. So I go there and my focus was on the informal economy. And I argued, when we speak about the economy and employment, focus is only mostly on the formal side of employment. The informal side is not receiving much attention yet. It is it is a space whereby the government, if focusing on it and cultivating the informal sector, it would go a long way in terms of reducing unemployment, especially in rural areas, informal settlements, townships, as well as the inner cities. Now, as I was debating, some guys from the ANC kept heckling me. They were heckling, they were shouting, trying to put me off. Outside in the corridors, one of them greets me. You know when you greet a person and then you lean your shoulder? So when he leans his shoulder closer to me, he then says, in Xhosa, "Qhuba mfondini ubambe yona," meaning I'm on the right path.
You're on the right track.
Yeah, and I need to keep on strong. And I'm
But
like,
this is the person who was
Yeah.
heckling you
and I'm like,
in the
but
galar.
inside you were heckling me. And he says, look, in that space, we are there to advance our party positions. Now, if you are coming as a different political party, you are saying the right things that we think society is going to appreciate. That is going to make society to look towards you instead of towards us as the ANC. Therefore, they've got a political duty to try put me off because they don't want South Africans.
They don't want you to shine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's what I found. And I was like, but this is for the good cause of the country. Why do you, and you are government, whatever I say, you as the executive, which
You
is
can
the ANC,
decide to go and implement.
you are
what I'm
going to
saying.
implement,
and
you are
claim.
and you are going to be in control of the process. And he was like, but we don't want to be seen to be doing something sponsored by the likes of you. So that's when I understood that when people see members of parliament, they must not think there's 400 independent members of parliament, because if there's 18 political parties in parliament, rather think there's 18 members of parliament. Because if ANC takes a decision, then it doesn't matter whether they're 160. It's only in exceptional situations whereby the likes of Umama and DZ will go against the party line. But more often than not...
Or bend to rock back then.
Exactly.
Yeah.
More often than not, members of parliament stick to their party directives.
Abantu ababuka le channel bayazi ukuthi ama-debate siyawafaka. Bengizibuza njalo ukuthi hawu kukhulunywa into ebaluleke kangaka kodwa kunabantu abayiphikisayo. Hayi, kudependa ukuthi party ifunani, and ukhumbula ukuthi party kukhona la funeka ithembeke khona. Mawuzokhumbula ukuthi emveni kodaba lweVAT ngonyaka ophelile, la PDA yavota khona against ANC ngoba ANC yayifuna khuphuka iVAT ibambisene nalamanye ama-political party. uJohn Steenhuisen wenza i-media briefing wasazisa ukuthi ibhizinisi imfonele yamtshela ukuthi hey noma kungenzakalani ningaphumi ku-GNU nize ningaphumi ku-GNU. Kulonyaka uClement Manyathela maqeda kuphuma i-judgment yePhalaphala, uClement Manyathela ukhuluma no abantu Gordon Lewis nalo phethe DA ukuthi manje njengoba kuphumele le judgment sokwenzala wathi no ufonelwe ibusiness yafika yamtshela ukuthi noma impeachment committee ngathini noma kungalethwa buphi ubufakazi kodwa kufanele bavikele uPresident uRamaphosa. So uyabona ukuthi kunabantu who have the power. Yes, ANC might be in government, but labantu laba kuyibona abakhipha imali ibona abayilawulayo. Ya sithi isiZulu ayikhonkoti nethambo. Njenjalo isiZulu ayikhonkoti nethambo. Yona inkinga ekhona ke leyo. Yengakho kubona sengathi kunje. Zikhulunywa into ezibalulekile kodwa zigcine zingaphasanga ngenxa ukuthi kunabantu abathiza abangasijabulele leso sinqumo. Phandle kwemali ayikho into ozoyenza. And nokunika imali unemgomo nemibandela. Okunika nje imali unemgomo nemibandela. Ibhlungu ke lento engizwi lisho uvuyo zungula ukuthi labantu baya actor. Yazi ke kukhulunywa ama topic a serious bengikhumbule nje le yodwa. A serious kumanje EFF propose ukuthi i-propose i-cancellation of student debt. Abantu abanezingane abanodade wabo kuyibo futhi abafundile ema-university, i-certificate zabo ezibanjwe e-university ukuze ingazidedeli bayafisa sengathi uhulumeni angangenelela bekwazi phela ukuthola ama-qualification wabo bezokwazi ukufuna umsebenzi bese kwenziwa iy'nhlelo zokukhokhela i-university. Kodwa uma ngase kuthiwa labo kuyibona abaphethe ipower bethi athina sambelane nalonto le uzowabona ama-political party ayizukuphasa lonto le bayovika ngokuthi lento ivele ne-EFF bengabuki ukubaluleka kwento okukhulunywa ngayo. Angiyibambe le video bengithi ngizokhuluma ngama-reactions avela kuma-political party ahlukeneyo njengoba upresident bekakhuluma nathi, kodwa-ke ngiyabona ukuthi isikhathi sesambile ngizomane ngenze enye ivideo. Kinga nje angifuni isiphazamiseke lesihloko esikhuluma ngaso sabantu esibavotela baseParliament, kodwa abaphikisa nento ozibonayo ukuthi lezi fanele zilekelela abantu base-South Africa. Kodwa sithi sizula ikhonkoti nethambo, ngiyasho namanje.